guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan if you're new here. I'm starting a weekend in my life vlog. It's Friday night here with, okay, well she walked away. Matt and I are going out for the first time in like a very long time. So I'm excited. I want to show you guys what I'm wearing right now before we try on some outfits. But I just got this pullover from Lululemon. Actually, it's not a pullover, it's a zip up. But we're gonna try an outfit. Oh, and this is also in the Blue Nile color. I don't know if they still sell this. I don't know what's cool anymore to wear. Quite honestly, I don't care. So I have ripped black jeans, which is like, this was my go-to in college. Do girls still wear like the ripped black pants? I don't know. Here's a pair of leather pants I got from Abercrombie. I don't know how I feel about them. I'm gonna have to style them to see if I like it. And then my two tops options are this V-neck sweater bodysuit from Abercrombie, or this is like a square neck. We're just gonna try this with the leather pants right now. Might wear the black, I don't know, so let's try. Straight off the bat, this is comfortable, but I just am not loving, I'm just not loving how I look though. Like, I mean, maybe. Should I put boots on and see how it looks? These pants look so short. I don't know. I give up with the outfits. I'm just gonna wear what I have on. But what we are gonna do right now is, I heard if you, is this focus? I heard if you pour red wine and you put like a whisk in it, it makes it better. So oh, it's so good. I should have tasted it before I whisked it though. I need to eat. It's like 7:30. I think Matt's coming back to pick me up at like 8-ish. I need to go feed the dogs and eat. And I want to do my hair, but who knows if that's gonna happen. We're leaving in a second. So I'll vlog on my phone, maybe. I don't really know. I'm trying to finish that before I walk out the door. But yeah, I went with this. I just didn't even change. I put this on, kept it on. Bodysuit, leather pants, booties. I don't really know. Like, the pants are kind of funky. I don't know, because they're not skinny at the bottom. But good morning. Good morning. Happy Saturday. It's 16 degrees. I just took spin with Tori. My arms are shaking. Tori like did a burnout for our arms. Last night was really fun. We hung out with our friends. We went out to a bar. I don't think I took any video. We were playing shuffleboard. We played ping pong, which was really fun. Went to Applebee's after and got some half-price apps and some more drinks. It was really fun. But yeah, I have to go to BJ's now. I really don't want to, but I need to go get gas, and I know I'll be happy if I just do it and get it over with. Oh, and then Matt and I are supposed to go to dinner tonight for his birthday. I made a reservation. Well, his birthday's on Monday, but I made a reservation for tonight at this Italian restaurant. I just had like way too successful of a trip at BJ's. I think my car sounds weird. I went in to get like just a couple of things, and then I don't know if you guys can see, but I got a coat and a sweater. I can give you guys like a little haul when I get home. Gonna go home. I'm starving. I'm gonna make some avocado toast and get this day going. For a walk. Just had avocado toast. I wear this ear warmer all the time. It honestly looks a little funny. I look kind of like a little nematode. I like these better than like a full hat because I like to wear my hair in a ponytail when I go on a walk. And you obviously can't wear like a beanie when your hair is up, and I hate, my hair is so long that like wearing a beanie after my hair down and it's like down to here and it's like blowing everywhere, so I don't really prefer to wear a hat, especially going on a walk. So I always like to wear my little ear warmer. It's from Lululemon. These are lines from Lululemon. The inside is like a different fabric, so they're like really soft and warm and comfy. Then I just have some taller crew socks. I love these types of socks, are my favorite in the winter time because they bridge the gap between my leggings and the sock, obviously, so there's like no skin showing. And then just a striped sweatshirt, obviously I can wear my coat over it, and I also have gloves, but this is the walking fit. Oh!
You've gone psycho a bit a few times today, girl. What's up with you? Psycho.
Okay, I just made some food. I made taquitos, and these are jalapeno poppers. So this is the box for the taquitos, just the chicken and cheese. And then I get these stuffed jalapenos from Wegmans. They're so good. And then I'm gonna use this to dip it in. Just having like a comfort food night, you know. Then Matt and I are going to dinner tomorrow instead. I just changed our reservation to tomorrow because tonight was just like, I don't know, we both wanted to relax and just be home. Taking care of some things around the house, cleaning, laundry. I should vacuum and everything. I want to edit tonight too, so we're just hanging out. I need to also wrap Matt's presents. Morning, happy Sunday. I've been up since like 7:30 because I went to bed at like 10:45 last night, so that's actually a lot of sleep. Matt went to bed at like, honestly, Matt got in bed at like 7:30. I don't think he fell asleep until almost 9 o'clock, but we were just like, I don't know, yesterday was like a weird day. I don't know how to explain it. Today, Matt and I were gonna take a spin class together, but we're actually gonna go bowling instead because I feel bad. He's wanted to go bowling for like the past week, and his birthday's tomorrow, so we're going bowling, and then we're going to dinner tonight. I also want to wash bed sheets. I'm about to make a latte. I got out of bed around 8:30 because I told my dad was something. Geek was calling me and I had to do something on my computer, but then I got up, fed the dogs, did like a nice skincare routine. My self-tan is looking a little splotchy today. Oh well. Amazing. Babe, no.
I was gonna jump on you.
Don't do that. You're gonna break my body. Let me jump on you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go on a quick walk.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay, well, can I put the sheets in the wash and I just make coffee?
I wanna go on a walk and then I wanna go to the bowling alley.
Okay, that's fine. What time do you wanna go to the bowling alley?
Right at 11.
You can't see the results anymore.
Oh my god, I can't believe that you did that.
You can't even see it on this.
Oh my god, what is up with you?
Hi guys, we just got back from bowling. My memory card ran out of storage while we were at the bowling alley, but I actually did pretty well today. I scored 107 the first game and then 136 second game. So usually I'm like in the 80s, so it's really good for me. I feel like I've just been running around today. I'm trying to do laundry and the washing machine is like, I don't want to say it's broken, but it like is struggling with the spin cycle. So I put stuff in and then it just like doesn't drain and like spin all the water out, and it comes out of the wash sopping wet, and I've had to run it like on the drain and spin cycle, and like I move everything and like it just doesn't drain right, and I don't know what's wrong. I don't really know what's going on. I'm trying to plan my outfit for tonight so that I'm not like struggling later, so we're gonna do that right now. Oh, I need to wrap Matt's presents. Okay, here's the first option. So this is like a bodysuit. I think it's like the Sweetheart neckline from Abercrombie. It's ribbed, it's very comfortable. And then this skirt, this is from Nordstrom Rack. I don't even know what brand this is. I think it's like blank New York City, whatever brand that is. I could wear some little booties. It's warm enough out today and we're not going to dinner super late. So like, I feel like I could get away with this. Let's put some boots on and a jacket and see how it looks. With the lighting, it's not working, but okay, skirt. These boots are better because they're like a suede material, which matches the skirt. And then my jacket is literally covered in so much dog hair. I'm gonna have to like lint roll the shit out of it before I leave. I don't even know if you can see, like look at all of the dog hair. I wore this the other night and then I got home and then just wasn't being careful. So anyway, then you can button it if you want. Oh, I want to show you guys the jacket I got at BJ's yesterday because I don't think I showed you when I got home. Okay, here she is, just like a black and white plaid. It's so cute, but it's cute. Cute little black and white. It was literally 40 something dollars, but then when I googled it, it was like 300 at like Bloomingdale's or something. So I don't know like if that's accurate or not, but anyway, maybe I'll wear this tonight just to give it a little spice. Quick, I know I'm wearing this with like a sports bra, but this is the sweater I got yesterday, or the cardigan I got at BJ's. So soft, so cute. It's really cute. It reminds me of Barefoot Dreams. It's super soft, feels like a blanket, loose, comfy, cute. So highly recommend. And it was $15. I don't know how. All ready to go. I just did my makeup. Something is up with my hair. It's like not sitting right in my face, so this is what we're working with. I don't know what else to do.
You dig in?
Huh? Yeah, go for it. Take one.
I don't know how.
What's the stuff on the top?
Oh wait, this is
Never vlogged this. Wait a minute, show me again.
$6,000.
But what is that? Guys, I feel so dumb. I brought my camera to the bathroom to record my nighttime routine, and I forgot. I just did my lash, that's like my last step. I did like the whole facial steam, and like I used my solo wand and everything.